If you're looking for USB port mixers, here's a collection you've got to see. The most popular 2017 USB port mixers, starring Alesis Multimix for USB FX. Number 1, most popular, by Alesis. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Pyle. Number 3. For best deals on DJ mixers, just click the circle. Number 4, by Iron Audio. Number 5, by Motu. Find these USB port mixers at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7, by Alan and Heath. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Roland. Discover more USB port mixers ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Alan and Heath.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.